Anyway, guys, kuyasha emzini kaBiggy bazoza. Guys, those who are coming for season 7, Komzansi Big Brother, please don't do what Udidi she's doing, guys. Now she doesn't know what's going on. She's so lost, guys. Uliema, she's using Udidi, and I wish Udidi I can give a cell phone to Udidi and see what is happening outside. Uliema, she has a strong base. Udidi, she doesn't need Uliema, guys. She can stand on her own. So when you come for the next season, guys, make sure that you know your game. Don't come here and make friends. Uliema is not gonna give Udidi a $500,000 if she wins the 2 million rand. You trust me and believe. So guys, yesterday Ubiggy asked the housemate to write the letter to one of the housemates, and they wrote 7 letters to Thandeka, guys. We thought maybe they're gonna read the letters on Thursday, so Ubiggy was like, no, they're gonna read the letters today. And something that Thandeka made yesterday, guys. So yesterday on the nomination, she didn't nominate Uliema, guys, and she didn't even write a letter to Liema. Right now I'm so confused. Uliema, she's wrote a letter to Thandeka, she's nominated to Thandeka. And which game Liema are you playing? Because now it seems like you alone. I think with Thandeka, she realized Uguti Uliema, she's using emotion, so she wanna show her Uguti bona ziyakhala lana, I know what I'm doing. So Thandeka, firstly, the letter she received: thank you, I appreciate you, Thandeka. You battle every day not wanting to be here. We battle the same way, but I just want you to know you are dearly loved. The letter was from Melly. She even went to hug Melly. The second letter, somebody went on to say, Zulu girls think that you say sometimes are always, the things that you say sometimes are always not true. Hygienic is very important. Don't put people's health at risk. Iliana, Ilano, she did confirm to say the letter is from me, guys. I love this. I love accountability. The third letter, somebody went on to say, Miss T, or should I say logically or unlogically, babes, you are full of ass. You grew up in a bad family and you are a bad person. You are full of ass where you belong. Go and clean those toilets in 4 days. Your ass is waiting for you. It's funny how you think you can clog this game. All you have to offer is sex, talks, anger issues. To be honest, I try to be nice and laugh at you, your own jokes, but bash people. I wonder how Melly does with you. But I guess we all know you do exactly what you complain about. It is disgusting. We're gonna get sick. You are talking about yourself because that's what you do. So this letter is from Didi, guys. She did confirm. So the letter number 4 is from King Wanda, guys. One thing about King Wanda, I thought King Wanda, guys, he's gonna write bad thing about Thandeka, but I'm surprised. What kind of a game is King Wanda playing, guys? So this is the letter what King Wanda wrote to Thandeka. I know it's crazy, but I still remember that girl that I met on the 11th January 2026 in the lounge. That smile, I have no idea what happened to Thandeka with. So I hope the Thandeka we are seeing now is just for entertainment. We walk with triggers and you are standing up and pointing. You are pointing a trigger, guys. That is from King Wanda. Thandeka went and hugged King Wanda, guys. I think there's no thing of holding grudges between Thandeka and King Wanda. I love this for you. So the letter is from Liema, guys. Stop pointing a finger. Well, 3 people. Whoa, this is what she said. I'm sorry, guys. Stop pointing fingers while 3 people are pointing at you. Stop pointing at others people's mistake. Focus on yours. I don't know where it is Liema's letter. I think this letter is from Liema, guys. She didn't say a mean thing. She just says something. Go Thandeka, guys. I think the worst letter Liema she's wrote, it was from Q, guys. The letter she's wrote to Q. Yo, hi, guys. I think the housemates are doing too much to Q, guys. At least to Didi, she didn't say anything. Go Q, guys. So, guys, these are the letters from the housemaid to Thandeka, guys. Hopefully, she will change and do better, guys. When it comes to Didi's letter, some of the things I do agree, but when it comes to other stuff, I don't agree, guys. As for Eliano, guys, they don't have a bad blood. They still love each other. Hopefully outside the house they'll be friends. So guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, so like it, comment. Happy Wednesday, happy Tuesday. I don't know what I'm so confused, guys. I don't know, I'm sorry. Happy Tuesday, bye.